Right now, there is a new breed of creators taking over YouTube. They are faceless and they earn 90% of what the influencers you follow earn. While everyone else is fighting for likes, fame, these creators are building automated cash machines in the background. And these channels are monetized, and that's the most important thing. So today, I'm breaking down the exact blueprint to use by these channels so that you can build your own digital income streams without ever showing your face. Let's look at our first example of channels that uses this YouTube faceless blueprint is Moon. Moon is one of the most successful faceless channels on the platform right now. They focus on the digital documentaries about tech, surveillance, and societal shift. They are the perfect example of how to build a massive faceless channel that can pull in $10,000 in a month. But if you look closer, they are doing three things that manipulate the YouTube algorithm perfectly. First, the voice they use. They don't use high-pitched robotic AI. They use deep cinematic narrators that make the viewer feel like they are watching a Netflix documentary. Second, the aesthetic. Notice the color grading. They don't just drop stock clip, they add dark overlay and film grade. This creates a premium brand. Watch how the frame changes every 3 to 5 seconds. A new text overlay, a slight zoom, a different angle. This prevents the human brain from clicking away or clicking out of the video. Now you are probably thinking about the AdSense, but for these creators, AdSense is actually the smallest paycheck. Take a channel like Animal Logic, because their audience is highly specific, people interested in nature and biology. Their sponsorship rates are 3x higher than a standard vlog. They also use middleman marketing. If they mention a specific book or a piece of software, that one link in the description can generate more revenue than the 10 minutes ad break. So how do you actually build this kind of channel? You need a factory workflow. Step 1 is the script. Stop asking ChatGPT to write you a script. Instead, use AIDA formula, which is attention, interest, decision, and action. And ask ChatGPT to use AIDA formula to write a script on that particular niche or topic. And ChatGPT will give you exactly what you are looking for, and that is what this channel does. Step 2, the audio. I recommend ElevenLabs to use their speech-to-speech feature. You record yourself, speak with emotion, and the AI replaces your voice with a professional narrator while keeping your human delivery. So step 3, the edit. Use CapCut or Premiere Pro. The secret to the pro look. If you want to blow fast, you have to pick the right niche, the gold mine niche. Stay away from gaming or generic memes. The pay is too low in 2026. Focus here. For example, deep medical history. People are obsessed with the Black Plague and Victorian surgery. It is a high retention and highly searchable topic. AI SaaS review. Software companies are desperate for users. A faceless review channel can pull in a massive affiliate commission. The Sony V2 style commentary. Use fair use clip to analyze why certain creators or businesses failed. This format is the current king of viral growth on YouTube right now. And these faceless channels are not built on luck. It's built on consistency and a proven system, which you must. So make sure to subscribe, because I have put a list of 50 faceless niches that are undersaturated, which I will post on my next posting day. Make sure you subscribe so that you don't miss out when this video will be out. Thank you.